I'm here to warn you about two things that I see dealerships doing when customers are buying a new and used RV. Hi everybody, it's Deb with Deb's RV Services and welcome to today's video. I'm a certified inspector and a registered technician, and I wanted to talk to you today about some of the things that I've been seeing during my inspections, and I really felt it necessary to talk to the people out there and to let you know, to be warned of this. Whether you're getting an inspection or not, you need to be aware of what's going on at the dealerships. So the first thing that I see are outdated tires on brand new RVs. I've had several clients where I am going to inspect the RV and I'm looking at the tires, the DOT on the tires, and let's say it's a 2024 RV and I see that they have 2022 tires on them. Now, it's not uncommon to see the date of the tire the same as when it was manufactured. So a lot of times a 2024 RV is going to be manufactured in 2023, so they will have tires dated appropriately. But when you start to see two-year-old tires or more, that to me is a little bit of a jip, because you have to replace your tires every 5 to 6 years. So you're already buying an RV with two-year-old tires on them, and it's the end of 2024, so it's almost 3 years old. And to me, that is a big deal because tires are expensive, and not all these tires are going to last as long. So if it is a cheaper brand tire already, they're not going to last as long as a well-made tire. So when you are looking at RVs out there and if you did not hire an inspector, make sure that you're looking at the date of the tires. If you do hire an inspector, make sure you're looking on the report where we indicate the date of the tire, and take that into consideration when you're negotiating the price with your dealer. Because as an inspector, we can't tell our clients to have the tire replaced, because actually it's within the spec of the time frame that it's appropriate. So we usually look to make sure that they're not over 5 years old, and then we recommend replacement if they are. But if it's a brand new RV, I am going to put the date of the tire. And I just really want my clients and anybody else out there to really take note of that date. If you are getting a brand new RV, I just did an inspection yesterday where I inspected this RV motorhome for a client, 2024, and we're in November, so it's the end of 2024, and her tires were dated 2022. So I did a little side note to her to let her know you can use that as negotiating power with the dealership so that you can maybe get some money off of the total amount financed, because you have to go turn around and replace the tires in 2 years. So that's just something to consider and be aware of. And if you get an inspection, which is very highly recommended, the inspectors aren't really supposed to tell you to replace the tire. They will tell you the tire date. So make sure you're looking at your report. The second thing that I want to tell you about is what I see happening a lot are the dealerships are bullying my clients into signing the contract before the repairs are made. Now, one of the reasons that people get these inspections is because they want to make sure that their RV is ready to go so that when they sign that contract, they can hit the road. But what's actually happening a lot of times is they will tell the dealership, okay, I will purchase this pending an inspection from a third-party inspector. Dealership says, okay. I go out there and do the inspection. I do the report and get it sent over to my client. Meanwhile, the dealership's like, okay, let's go ahead. We'll get this contract ready for you. We'll go ahead and make the repairs. Sign here. The client signs. No, 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 no. So I have to start telling my clients, do not sign that until after the repairs are made, because I have a client that has been waiting months for his RV. I inspected it. I sent the list of items that need to be repaired, and the dealership still has the RV. And that is because they bullied him into signing it. They told him it was the end of the month, and if the client didn't sign it, then they weren't going to be able to guarantee the price that they gave him. I call BS on that. So you make sure that you stand strong and do not allow the dealerships to bully you into signing these contracts before these repairs are made. So let me know below if you've seen this happen, whether you're a consumer or you're an inspector. Let me know if you've seen this happening around the country. When you're getting a new RV, does it come with older tires? And have they had you sign the contract before the items were fixed? In case you didn't watch my last video, I went over how I'm teaching you how to do a walkthrough inspection, and I told you that I'm offering a consultation appointment now. So this is an appointment where if you do your own walkthrough or checklist inspection, either by using my checklist that I give you on my website after you subscribe to my newsletter, hint, hint, if you haven't yet, you can, or you can watch that video that I just posted. I'll link it in the description below. And you can go write down all the things that I recommend you go through. Then you take the pictures in the video. Then you book an appointment with me, and it's just a 1-hour appointment where we go through all your pictures in the video, and I help you make the determination whether you should purchase this RV or not. So it's kind of like a consultation / coach appointment, and it goes through an app called Calendly. So you could go ahead and just book it yourself, and you could pay for it yourself, and then it's set. I have available times on there. I've limited my times just to kind of see what everybody needs. And I'm trying to also book those around my inspection dates. So if you have any questions or comments, please write them below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to watch whatever they're posting here because it's important.